Assigning a variable upon binding a relationship in sqlalchemy. I have the following two classes. Let's create two instances of these classes. I would like the following behavior. Upon appending the address to the user, the field is it assigned in the address gets updated to true, i.e. I don't know how to use descriptors here if possible.
I'd use a property for that, one that tests if the user _I.d column is not null. A column underscore property seems appropriate here. Now is it assigned will be either true or false. Alternatively, use a hybrid property. A hybrid property has the advantage of being usable in a query as well. Last but not least, for this case, perhaps an ordinary property would do too. It'll only work on already loaded instances though. I'd use a different name, though. Assigned might be better. The Python style guide, PEP8, advocates the lower underscore case underscore with underscores for methods and instance attributes.